Hello, champions. Welcome to Concept.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस. The question is, which property states that electric charge can only exist in discrete amounts, being integral multiples of the elementary charge? A. That's right. Quantization is the principle that charge, Q, must be an integral multiple of the elementary charge, A. Again the question is, if 2-point charges are separated by a distance r in a vacuum, the force between them is F if the charges are placed in a medium with a relative permittivity, dielectric constant, of K, what will be the new force F? That's right. The electrostatic force between two charges is inversely proportional to the dielectric constant, K, of the medium separating them. And the next question, what is the SI unit of electric flux? Great, the correct option is A, Newton meter squared per coulomb. Now, question number 4 says, two equal and opposite charges, jod Q and Q, separated by a small distance 2a constitute an electric dipole. The direction of the electric dipole moment, P, is. That's great, option D, from minus Q to plus Q. Yes, fifth question is, a surface encloses an electric dipole. What is the total electric flux, phi, through this closed surface? Wow, awesome you are, and yes, 0 is the right answer. I know you guys are enjoying it. Now the sixth question says, which of the following is not a characteristic of electric field line? Try it fast. T. Awesome, correct, option C, they do not form closed loop. Get ready for the next question. A charge, Q, is placed at the center of the cube of side L. What is the electric flux passing through one face of the cube? Great, you are a champion. Correct option is B, just unitary method from all the 6 face Q upon epsilon, so, from one face 1/6 of it. Now answer this, when an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field E, then net force on the dipole is? Yes, 0 is the right answer. Going good, you can also pause the video if you need more time to answer, anyway it's just practice to make you fast. Ninth one, it says, the dependence of the electric field, A, on the distance, r, from an infinitely long straight charged wire is proportional to. Yes, the answer is 1 upon r, it means option B is correct one. We will suggest you to memorize the formulas too, and practice how to derive it multiple times. Now, answer this one, the dielectric strength of air is approximately 3 into 10 raised to the power 6 watt per meter. What does this value signify? That's right. Dielectric strength is the maximum electric field an insulating material can withstand before its insulating properties break down and it conducts charge. Now one easy question. Which physical quantity has the unit coulomb meter? Yes, electric dipole is the correct answer, charge multiplied by length. Good.